Hello friends, today we'll learn about solving quadratic equations using completing the square. Now, the general form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We will solve it by completing the squares. Before we move to it, let us first quickly recall the formulas of a plus b the whole square. It's a square plus 2ab plus b square. And the formula of a minus b the whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. We will try to identify a and b in the next steps. Now, x square plus 6x plus 5. Now we take the constant term to the other side. The constant term is 5. When it goes to the other side, it becomes negative 5. Now let's compare a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square equal to x square. So our a is x. 2ab is 6x. You just have to convert it to the form 2ab. So it's 2x and 3. So our a is x, b is 3. Now we rewrite it as x square plus 2 multiplied by x multiplied by 3 equal to negative 5. We are going to add b square on both the sides. B is 3 square. Whatever we add on one side, it gets added on the other side. So we are having x square plus 2 multiplied by x multiplied by 3 plus 3 square equal to 9 minus 5. This is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Our a is x, our b is 3. So it's x plus 3 the whole square equal to 4. Take square root on both sides. Square root of x plus 3 the whole square equal to 2 square. Square and square root cancel each other, and when you take a square root, you have two possibilities, a positive and a negative root. X plus 3 equal to 2 or x plus 3 equal to negative 2. Let's solve it. So x plus 3 equal to 2. When the 3 goes to the other side, it becomes negative. So 2 minus 3 is a negative 1. X plus 3 equal to negative 2. 3 is positive here. When you take it to the other side, it becomes negative. Negative 2, negative 3. When both the numbers are negative, you add the numbers and put the negative sign. 2 plus 3 is a 5. So the answer is negative 5. Let's try to do another example. Now take the constant term to the other side. X square minus 2x, the constant term is a negative 35. When it goes to the other side, it becomes positive 35. When you compare a square minus 2ab, because here the sign is plus b square. When you compare a square is x square, that means our a is x, and minus 2ab is minus 2 multiplied by x multiplied by 1. So b is 1. B square is going to be 1 square, which is 1. We are going to add 1 square on both sides. X square minus 2x plus 1 square equal to 1 square plus 35. A is x, b is 1, and you have a negative, so it's x minus 1 the whole square equal to 1 square is 1, 36. X minus 1 the whole square equal to 6 square. Let's take the square root. X minus 1 equal to plus or minus 6. So x minus 1 is a 6, or x minus 1 is a minus 6. We take 1 to the other side, 1 is negative over here. When it goes to the other side, it becomes positive. 6 plus 1 is a 7. Take 1 to the other side, it becomes positive. Minus 6 plus 1, one number is positive, one number is negative. You subtract 6 minus 1 is a 5 and put the sign of the bigger number. The bigger number is 6, which is negative. So the answer is x equal to negative 5 and x equal to 7. In the previous problems, our coefficient of x square was 1. Now in this, the coefficient of x square is 3. So the first step is we are going to divide everything by 3. So 3x square divided by 3 plus 10x divided by 3 minus 8 divided by 3. Then we take the constant term to the left side. The constant term is negative 8 by 3. That goes to the left side, it becomes positive 8 by 3. 3 divided by 3 is a 1x square plus 1 by 3 times 10x equal to 8 by 3. Let us compare it with a square plus 2ab. So our 2ab, a square is x square, so our a is x, our 2ab is 1 by 3 times 10x. Let me just pull out the 2 out. 1 by 3, 10 is 2 times 5 and x. Let's rearrange it. It's going to be 2 times x times 5 by 3. So our b is 5 by 3. b square will be 5 by 3 square. 5 square is 25, 3 square is a 9. We are going to add 25 by 9 to both the sides. So we have x square plus 2 times x times 5 by 3 plus 25 by 9 equal to 25 by 9 plus 8 by 3. Now we are going to add fractions which are having unlike denominators, 25 by 9 and 8 by 3. 3 and 9, the least common denominator is 9. So we have to make the denominator 9. 3 times 3 is a 9. We multiply the same number to the numerator. 3 times 8 is a 24. So let's continue. So we are left with 25 by 9 plus 24 by 9. The denominators are same. You add the numerator 25 plus 24, which is a 49 by 9. 49 is 7 square, 9 is 3 square. Let's come to the left hand side. X square plus 2ab plus b square. Our b is 5 by 3. So it's x plus 5 by 3 whole square. X plus 5 by 3 whole square is equal to 7 by 3. Taking square root on both the sides, we have x plus 5 by 3 equal to positive 7 by 3, or x plus 5 by 3 equal to negative 7 by 3. We are going to take the 5 by 3 to the other side. It's a positive over here, so when it goes to the other side, it becomes negative. The denominator is the same. 7 minus 5 is 2, so x is 2 by 3. Let's take 5 to the other side, negative 5 by 3, negative 7 by 3. The denominators are the same. Minus 5 minus 7. When both the numbers are negative, you add them and put the negative sign. That's negative 12 by 3. Negative 12 divided by 3 is a negative 4. So the other answer is x equal to negative 4. Let's check over here. The coefficient of x square is 6. So the first step is divide everything by 6. 6x square divided by 6 minus x divided by 6 minus 2 divided by 6 equal to 0. 6 divided by 6 is 1 minus 1 by 6x. 6 divided by 2 is a 3. So it's 1 by 3. Take the constant term to the other side. X square minus 1 by 6x is 1 by 3. Let us compare it with a square plus 2ab plus b square. 2ab is negative 1 by 6x and our a square is x square. So our a is x. So rearrange it. It's going to be 2 times x times. Okay, in this case it's a negative. So we are going to compare it with minus 2ab. X, we are going to pull out a 2 from here. That means you are multiplying the numerator and denominator both by 2. So it's going to be 1 by 12. Our b is 1 by 12. B square is 1 by 12 square. So x square minus 1 by 6x equals 1 by 3. Our b is 1 by 12. Let's rearrange it and write it again. X square minus 2 times x times 1 by 12. 2 times 1 by 12 will give us a 1 by 6 is equal to 1 by 3. You are going to add 1 by 12 square on both the sides. This is a minus b whole square. A is x, b is 1 by 12. X minus 1 by 12 whole square. 1 square is 1, 12 square is 144. Check the denominators. The denominators are 3 and 144. The least common denominator of 3 and 144 is 144. We have to make the denominator 144. 144 divided by 3 is a 48. You multiply both the numerator and denominator by 48. 1 multiplied by 48 is 48. Now this is 48 by 144 plus 1 by 144. The denominators are the same. You add the numerators. 48 plus 1. That is a 49 by 144. 49 is the square of 7. 44 is the square of 12. So we have x minus 1 by 12 square is equal to 7 by 12 square. Let's continue solving it. So we have to take the square root on both the sides. X minus 1 by 12 equal to plus or minus 7 by 12. Let's separate them. X minus 1 by 12 is a 7 by 12, or x minus 1 by 12 equal to negative 7 by 12. When you take x minus 1 by 12 equal to negative 7 by 12. When you take the 1 by 12 to the other side, it becomes a positive. The denominators are same. You solve the numerator. 1 minus 7 by 12. One number is positive, one number is negative. One number is positive, one number is negative. 1 minus 7 is a negative 6. That's a negative half. X minus 1 by 12 is a 7 by 12. When you take the 1 by 12 to the other side, it becomes a positive 1 by 12. The new denominators are same, so you add the numerator. It's 8, 7 plus 1 is a 8, 8 by 12. 4 times 2 is a 8, and 4 times 3 is a 12, so it's 2 by 3. The other answer is x equal to 2 by 3. And x equal to negative 1 by 2. Let's try to solve another problem, a little bit difficult one. Check the coefficient of x square is 9. Divide every term by 9. 9x square divided by 9 minus 15 by 9x plus 6 by 9. 9 divided by 9 is a 1, so this is x square. In 3 times table, 15 is 3 times 5, and 9 is 3 threes are. So this is 5 by 3x. 6 is 3 times 2 and 2 by 3. Now take the constant term to the other side. X square minus 5 by 3x equal to negative 2 by 3. Now compare a square minus 2ab plus b square. So our a square is x square and minus 2ab is a square is x square minus 2ab is minus 5 by 3x. That is minus 2 multiplied by x. We are multiplying 2 to the numerator, multiply 2 to the denominator also. So this becomes 5 divided by 3 times 2. That is negative 2 multiplied by x multiplied by 5 by 6. So our b is 5 by 6. B square will be 5 by 6 square, which is a 25 over 36. Now our problem was x square minus 5 by 3x equal to negative 2 by 3. Add b square on both the sides. X square minus 5 by 3x plus 25 by 36 equal to minus 2 by 3 plus 25 by 36. Check the denominators. In one you have 3, in the other you have 36. The least common denominator is 36. 3 times 12 is a 36. Let's do the calculation. We have negative 2 by 3. You want a denominator of the 36. You multiply 3 with 12. The same 12 is multiplied to the numerator. You have negative 24 by 36. Ax square minus 5 by 3x plus 25 by 36. Our b is 5 by 6, so it's x minus 5 by 6 the whole square equal to negative 24 by 36 plus 25 by 36. The denominators are the same. You subtract the numerator. It's negative 24 plus 25. That's 25 minus 24, which is a 1 by 36. 1 square is 1, 6 square is 36. So x minus 5 by 6 square equal to 1 by 6 square. Taking square root on both the sides, we have x minus 5 by 6 equal to plus or minus 1 by 6. So x minus 5 by 6 equal to 1 by 6, or x minus 5 by 6 equal to minus 1 by 6. X minus 5 by 6 is equal to 1 by 6. Take the 5 by 6 to the other side, it gets added. 1 by 6 plus 5 by 6. The denominators are same. You add the numerators. 1 plus 5 is a 6. So it's 6 by 6, which is a 1. So x equal to 1 is one of the answer. Let's go to the next part. X minus 5 by 6 equal to minus 1 by 6. When you take the 5 by 6 to the other side, it gets added. 5 by 6, 1 by minus 1 by 6. Denominators are same. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is a 4. 4 by 6. 2 times 2 is a 4. 2 times 3 is a 6. So it's a 3 by 2. X equal to 3 by 2 is one answer. X equal to 1 is another answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching the video. You can visit our website www.educatorsatpar.com for more help. Thank you.